You may have heard about the domino effect. This phenomenon exists not only in timelines in nature, but in our brain's neural pathways too. Human biology has a lot of systems. If you learn to hack them, you can become what Nietzsche called an Übermensch, a superhuman. One such hack is the dopamine domino effect. You may have seen videos about dopamine detox, but neither the excess of dopamine nor the lack of it is useful. Instead, it needs to be taken in doses. Every productive action you do gives you dopamine. This makes your mood better. It makes you feel good, making you want more. The more productive you are, the more dopamine you get. This is the system that is built by nature to keep you off the couch. To hack this, start your morning with a productive act. This can be 10 minutes of meditation, 15 minutes of exercise, making yourself a healthy breakfast, or basically any productive act. Once you get the dopamine, stick to it. If you apply this hack to your life, you will become unrecognizable in just 6 months. No more procrastination, no more regret. Make up your mind right now. Tomorrow, when you wake up, you will do something productive. Watch how it changes your life.